So this is a AI cybersecurity copilot system. So here this project is a cybersecurity monitoring system that works like a mini security operations center. So basically, this completely details about the monitor system logs, detects suspicious activities, shows results in a dashboard, and also AI assistant that helps you to resolve any security issues. So first, here the main features I have used are first the login system. So I'm going to log in here. When the login has been done, here it shows the AI security copilot dashboard. So this login helps only for the authorized users can access the system. I have kept a default username and password so that it can be easy for me. And next, it shows the dashboard. This totally shows the total systems, your activities, like number of threads are going to be, and the full log data. Here, you can easily visualize it. And next, here it shows the threat analytics, which shows about the safe versus threat activities, the login attempt patterns, and the data transfer anomalies. Here, see, it shows the login attempts and also the threats, which are safe and unsafe threats, which also shows the count of the threats. So basically, the main purpose of this is that it helps visualize cybersecurity attacks clearly. And the next is a AI assistant, which I have kept. So here, any questions can be raised, such as I'm giving as is system safe. So it shows us that system has risky activities. So I have kept some of the AI assistant as a default. It has not completely evolved into a complete ChatGPT type of AI assistant. But so basically, this shows us the log analytics and thread count. And next uh, is the dynamic data system where the data changes per session. Here I've used a dynamic data session. The data will not be fixed. For every session, the data can be changed. And here the improvements can there will be many improvements like real-time monitoring, a real AI chatbot that will be done in the next video. You can see that in the next short video. And also a auto attack response system where you can block any IP automatically, and you can disable any suspicious users. This one will be also be added in the next session, and you can refer that.